Our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is Hee Jun Joo from Orange County, California. Now, just a couple of years ago, he knew nothing about off-roading. That's when Joo and his fiancee, Ari Quintero, started getting on some online forums, and it didn't take long before they went to their first off-road event, and they were hooked. Their love for travel has taken them all over the Northwest, and this year's Big Trek wound its way through Nevada, Utah, Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana, with off-road stops along the way. And Joo says his 2021 Tacoma TRD is built for comfort, for overlanding, and even for rock crawling. So he's done a good job making that a multi-purpose vehicle. You could be like Hee Jun Joo and Ari Quintero. Just drop us a note. Go to motorheadgarage.tv and tell us why you should be Motorhead of the Week. And if you have a service or product you want to see featured here on the show, drop us a line. Motorheadgarage.tv is the place to go. We'll get you here in our Campbell's Custom Care studio. From everyone here at Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfire Tools.com, we will see you next time. In the meantime, drive safely.